Okay, one last video to help you guys, because I think a lot of people mentioned that they struggled with the Excel portion of the first homework. So I'm actually just going to be really nice and show you guys how to make a stacked bar graph. I might have led you astray a little bit by how I populated my overall summary chart, but the easiest way to make a bar graph is to have your years be in a single column and the variables that you want on your x-axis to be in individual columns. So if we populated that space with data, this is clearly not the data that you guys are actually going to come up with, it would look something like that. So remember on the last spreadsheet we had our years up here and locations here. Well, one easy way for you to get your data to go from here to look like this. Remember that you can copy this and paste transpose and quickly get your data into this format here. Okay, so to make a stacked bar graph, all you have to do, it's really pretty easy, is highlight the information that you want to add to the graph. As long as your data is organized like that, each column is going to end up as a separate bar in your x-axis. I go to insert. Hopefully you remember this step from the first lab. This time I'm going to go to column chart. It's going to give me a variety of options, and I want this 2D. I could have them next to one another, which is one way of looking at the data, or I can stack them. If I stack them over here, this is a 100% stacked column, so it's giving you a percentage for each of these values. But what I'm interested in here are the raw values. I can just go in and add a stacked column. That way I have Lower Granite here, McNary, and Bonneville, and each one of my stacked colors is a given year. And then, of course, I'd want to go in and I'd want to add axes, probably move this legend around and make this look pretty. That's it.